Hello everyone! We Indians really do have a lot of festivals, and Sankranthi is the one we begin the new year with. This day celebrates the sun's transition towards the north, which means from this point onwards the days are longer and warmer. It is celebrated with much fervor across India, and everybody has their own unique way to celebrate it. I am from the south, and my memories of this festival is all about making delicious savouries and a mixture made from nutritious sesame and jaggery, which is a classic, and then distributing this to family, friends and neighbours as well. In today's video, I'll show you how to make some DIY gift boxes to distribute these sweets, and also show you how the sesame mixture is made. So if you want to tag along, jump on in and let's get rolling. Back home, everyone has their own ways to distribute these savouries. Some come in Ziploc bags and some in reusable containers. Since I had some cardstock lying around, I decided to make 3 different kinds of boxes to put the savouries in. I love origami, and these ones are really easy to make. If you have some paper lying around, follow along with me for some fun. If you have kids around, these are such fun and easy ones to make during this festival season. Nothing like a DIY gift box. Now on to the sesame mixture. For this, you will need a cup of roasted Bengal gram that's readily available in stores, chopped jaggery, or in my case, I cut the sugar savouries that I make into small cubes, dry coconut that's also chopped and cubed, and sesame seeds that are roasted on a medium flame until they turn slightly brown. Now all you need to do is mix them all up, and this is ready to be savoured. Usually on this day, we actually greeted each other saying Ellu bella tindu valle matadu, which translates to eat sesame and jaggery and speak well. I have no idea why they said it, but we all had to say it. Now on to filling the boxes with the mixture and savouries that are ready to be distributed. I have a detailed video on how to make the sugar savouries. I will link one on the screen for you to look at. This festival goes by many different names. Despite the uniqueness and differences, we all share similar cultural practices, I think, which brings in peace and joy every time during a festival. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like and share if you did, and if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Here's wishing you all a very happy Sankranthi to all those who celebrate. Make sure you get to taste all the traditional delicacies if you can. Until next time, bye-bye.